Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga hashtag walang pasok. Ito po, Memorandum Circular number 96 na inilabas ng Office of the President, Malacanang Palace. Ito ay nakalagay dito na pursuant to Proclamation number 60 series of 1992 which declared the last week of September of every year as Family Week, and Proclamation number 326 series of 2012 which declared the fourth Monday of September as every year as Kainang Pamilya Mahalaga Day. Work in government offices in the executive branch shall be suspended on September 22, 2025 starting 1 p.m. However, those agencies whose functions involve the delivery of basic and health services, preparedness response to disasters and calamities, and or the performance of other vital services shall continue their operations and render the necessary services. This office also encourages all government workers in the executive branch to fully support the program and activities relative to the observance of Family Week as organized by the National Committee on the Filipino Family. The suspension of work in other branches of government, independent commission or bodies and private sector is also encouraged so as to afford all Filipino families the full opportunity to celebrate the 33rd National Family Week. This circular take effect immediately. Yan. Signed na po ito by authority of the President ni Yusek Bersamen. Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.